Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos in iCloud. Let's start. So yes, that's one good thing about iPhone is that you have chances. Yes, that's plural, guys, because there is actually ways for you to recover on photos that you've already deleted, either by mistake or you just simply want to recover a photo that you've deleted in the past. So how it's done is just make sure that whatever photos that you have on your iPhone is also synced or it's saved also in iCloud. So by any chance that your phone is stolen or if you want to change to another iPhone device or you've upgraded your phone to iPhone 14 maybe, then you don't need to manually transfer or share your photos device to device. You could always go to iCloud and then take it from there. So now we're talking about recovering deleted photos. So what you need to do is log into your iCloud.com. I'm using my PC right now. You could always do this in Windows as well. But most of the time, people are using MacBook and also they're using their iPhone. So you click on photos and then once you're already inside, so pretty much you have, all your photos already. And then just need to go to recently deleted. Okay. So say for instance, if I want to recover this particular item or say for this one, you just need to tap or click on this one and then there's option for you that says recover and then that's how you could actually recover your deleted photos. Okay, and then in case you forgot or if you need additional guidelines, you could always go to support.apple.com and there's a user guide for you there on how you would be able to recover your deleted photos. And then oh yeah, say for example in case you don't show this one right here, just click this one. Okay, so you could be able to see your photos from here. All right, so I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.